Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken on your laptop. First, it's crucial to check your laptop's specifications against the game's minimum requirements. You'll want to ensure your operating system is fully updated for the best performance. A dedicated graphics card is absolutely essential for smooth gameplay, and we highly recommend at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for the best experience. These initial checks will set you up for success before you even launch the game. Next, let's optimize your laptop for peak performance. Before starting the game, make sure to close all unnecessary background applications to free up resources. Adjusting the in-game graphics settings is key to finding a good balance between visual quality and a smooth frame rate. Always keep your laptop plugged in and set to its high-performance power mode. Regularly updating your graphics drivers will also provide improved stability and speed, giving you a competitive edge. Now, let's talk about getting into the fight. For the best experience, we highly recommend connecting a compatible game controller. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the game's basic controls and your chosen character's unique moves. The training mode is your best friend for mastering combos and special techniques. Don't be afraid to experiment with different characters to discover which one truly fits your preferred playstyle and helps you dominate the arena. Finally, if you encounter any bumps along the way, there are resources to help. Online forums and communities are excellent places to find solutions for common issues. You can also verify the integrity of your game files directly through your game launcher, which often resolves unexpected problems. For smooth online multiplayer matches, always ensure your internet connection is stable. If persistent technical problems arise, don't hesitate to reach out to the official game support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.